Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see or discuss a term called Supplier Certification. The Supplier Certification acts as a part of larger strategy of supplier quality management. It is essentially a process by which the organization can manage its relationship with its supplier to coordinate as a single entity for creating value for all the stakeholders. The supplier certification specifies a minimum requirement expected from the supplier to be eligible for collaboration. This process aims at a continuous improvement. The process of certification holds utmost importance due to the following reasons. It enables the process of identifying suppliers which can meet the requirement of the company. It enables to gather a fair estimate of potential of the suppliers, thus enabling judicious and safe decision in terms of investing money. Using supplier certification also enables avoidance of some process such as inspection. It regulates and forms consistent method of managing supplier. It enables development of capabilities of the supplier. It establishes more open and stronger relationship. It facilitates enhanced communication and better sharing of information. It also helps the organization serve its customer better. It helps achieve corporate improvement objectives through collaboration. Though the factors to be considered while certification vary widely across the industry and companies, some of the most important ones are the below. One is, for example, quality, next delivery, cost and technology, environmental standards, financial status, communication capability, business practices and processes. There are majorly three types of certification. For example, number one is ISO 9000, the quality certification program by International Standards Organization, focuses on the documentation part as well. Industry equivalents like ISO 14000, which is used for automotive industry, or self-designed certification by the company. All this can help in certifying a supplier. Thanks for watching. Bye.